Christmas Eve. 'Cause you told me, said you don't believe in me, but I know my mom and dad believe, and they don't deceive. They taught me, you don't believe, you don't receive. You've lost belief, goodwill down the drain. Our roasted chestnuts, embers drowned by the rain. I loved you, babe, but you brought cold to our nativity. Oh, can't you see? If you don't believe, you don't receive. Whoa, we got a little boy child, baby. Oh, yes, that wants a family. He says that he believes in Christmas and still believes in you and me. Silence since you left, Mom's the word.